Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coffee Curves. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful traditional pedestal that you can use for any traditional Indian event, celebration or puja decoration. This pedestal can be dismantled for easy storage and easily assembled whenever required. Wait till the end of the video where I will show you how you can do that. Now let's get started. For each of the pedestals you will need two plates, one for the top and one for the bottom. I will be using this one for the top and this golden plate for the bottom. Both these plates are from Dollar Tree. You will also need some plastic boxes like these. If you don't have them collected, you can also use these kind of bins or boxes from the Dollar Tree store. We will start by sticking two of the boxes together like this. And since there is a bit of a dip on the box top, I will be adding this double-sided tape just to get it up to level. You can also stick pieces of cardboard together. This is just to make sure that it sticks properly in the center as well. Next, apply glue on the edges and fix both the boxes together. You can even open up the boxes and press down in the center to make sure it is fixed properly. So these two boxes will be in the center of the pedestal. Now we will fix one at the bottom. And fix another box on top. And with that, the middle part of the pedestal is ready. Now let's go ahead and spray paint it in gold color. You will need about 2 to 3 coats because of the printed boxes. Wait for the paint to dry up before you move on to the next coat. I will also be spray painting this plastic plate on the back side on which it has the design. Now starting with the bottom part, I am measuring out the center circle, which is about 9 inches. And placing a piece of cardboard which is just a little over 9 inches. I will go ahead and cover this with gold cardstock paper. You can also use ready cake boards that you get. Before fixing the circular plate, I will place a piece of cardboard in the center onto which I will place the circular cardboard piece. Next, I'm using these beautiful round doilies to fix onto the cardboard circle, but before fixing it, I will spray paint this in gold. You don't need to spray paint in the center as the center part of the pedestal will be fixed onto that. Stick it with either tape or glue. And with that, the base is ready. You can also make a cardboard box as an alternative to the gold plate. You can spray paint the top and cover the edges with some fancy lace and use it as the base. Now moving on to the top of the pedestal, we are going to make this beautiful flower piece. I already have the center flower ready. Here I am just going to make the outer petals, and for that I am tracing out the petals onto a cardstock paper. Make a slight cut in the center and stick the petals as shown. And now onto the spray painted gold plate, I will stick a cake board. You could also just cut out a gold cardstock paper and use that in the center. Next I will stick this DIY paper flower, and I've spray painted this also from the back. You will find a link to this DIY paper flower tutorial in the description box below. I also spray painted these petals from the back. Now let's go ahead and stick them. Start sticking the petals below the cake board, slightly overlapping each other. And this is what it looks like, with light reflecting off of these gold surfaces. It's just so beautiful. Now with all the 3 parts ready, let's start assembling and decorating the pedestal. I first stuck the center column to the base and then using this pearl string to decorate. I am also going to add this gold lace. You can add any kind of decoration and laces, gemstones, beads, etc. as per your liking and as per the theme of your decoration. Here I am keeping it a bit simple and elegant, and this will go well with mostly all kind of traditional Indian decorations and very elegantly enhance the look of the entire setup. Before placing the top decorative piece, I am again sticking a piece of cardboard to bring it up to level. Using the same pearl string, I will decorate the top plate as well. I am going to stick the pearl string in U shape, and this is definitely going to take a little bit of time and patience. Glue 3 pearls together at a time. Wait until the glue dries a little bit and then fix it onto the plate. Hold it until it completely sticks in place. I covered only half the plate as only that was going to be seen from the front. You can cover the whole thing if you like. And with that, the pedestals are ready. Now I will quickly show you how you can dismantle and assemble these for easy storage. Since we are using boxes that can be easily opened and closed, this is a great hack to conveniently store them or even carry them to another location for an event. Now let's go take a look at how they turned out. I hope this video was really helpful to you all and you liked it, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button. Do share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves for more such videos. You can also check out this traditional Indian backdrop decoration video where I have used these pedestals. Do leave a comment in the comment section down below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for latest updates. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.